Similarly, as the previous example, there is one more question is given. The Great Brain organization has set up its new branch at Srinagar for its office and the web-based activities. It has 4 wings of buildings as shown in the diagrams. In the diagram, you can see there is wing X, wing Y, wing Z, and wing U. And here the two tables are given. In this table you can see the distance between these blocks and the total number of computer that is installed in these blocks. So these two explanation is the similar as the previous question. So now moving through the questions that what is asked to you from this explanation. The first question is that suggest the most suitable cable layout of the connection between the wings and the layout. So you can have the bus topology because the connection is in the meter, so this is not a great distance, and you may have the star topology also. So you can write any one of them. You can write the bus topology and you can write the star topology also. The next question is that suggest the most suitable place, that is wing, to house the server of this organization with a suitable reason with justification. So the server can be installed in the wing where the total number of the computer is at the higher end. So in the wing Y you can see there are 150 computers are there. So wing Y is the most suitable place to install the server, and the reason that what you can give, the server can be installed at the place where the traffic can be divided into 80-20 conditions. The 80-20 condition is that the 80% in traffic is in the server and the 20% traffic may be the incoming or the outgoing from the server. So you can give the reason like that, and the wing Y is the most suitable place. The next, suggest the placement of the following devices with justification, that is repeater, hub and switch. So there is no any need for the repeater because you can use hub. So the hub will work as the repeater, and for every wing there should be separate hub. The last question is that the organization is planning to link its head office situated in Delhi with the office at Srinagar. Suggest an economic way to connect it. The company is ready to compromise on the speed of the connectivity. Justify your answer. Means you can suggest a type of cable or a type of connection to implement the internet, but there is no any restrictions about the speed. So there is the economic way of connecting, that is the dial-up or the broadband. With the help of dial-up or the broadband you can connect two computers at an economic rate, but it provides the lesser speed than other expensive methods. So from these two questions you will have an idea that how the questions will come in your examination.